What's up, guys? You know, we back at the vlog. I know you guys been asking where the fuck I've been.
Bitch, shut up. Ain't nobody asked you shit.
Well, I've been with this nigga, bro. Variable felon accounts and shit, you know.
I got a little bit of life. I just changed my tire and I could die.
What the fuck?
I didn't hear with that bullshit.
Look,
boy.
hey, andamos en la calle, andamos bien grifos por la pintura que anda echando mi cuñadito. Hey, ya me puse bien alterado. Este es mi compa y es el dueño de Alterados. Puro trucking, pura troca mamalona, pura tumbadita. Acá andamos en la flona.
A la verga, ya llegó Blue Birds.
¿Nomás de Joel?
¿Qué pedo, viejo?
Joel.
Saludos del pinche compadre Juan en la verga.
¡Oh, qué chulada de vato!
Hombre, puro al trazo de la verga. A la verga estos pinches changos, ¿qué pedo? No mames. Alright, bro, so what we eating today? What we eating today?
Don't tell me this nigga brought me a burrito. No salsa verde, are you serious?
That's the size of mine. What? This nigga capping, bro. This shit like 2 inches.
I want to thank all you guys for liking my video, subscribing. You guys helped me a lot. I was in really bad situations.
Without y'all, this torta would have been possible.
Thank you guys. And I'm going to take a bite with you guys. You guys want the first bite? Thank you.
Hold on, nigga, hold on.
No.
Make it look realistic, nigga. No mames, wey. Tasty? Quítate el puto view, pendejo. That shit go. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm here interviewing El Patron. Sir, so you were part of the rescue of that Duramax truck that was found over there that was stolen from Fairfax earlier this week. Can you tell me any details, sir?
It was a GMC.
Okay.
And was here, here down the street.
Over here?
Came out to Ali?
And went back in.
Okay. What else?
But yeah, so I was like, oh, I'm snitching. You know? I called my sister. She gave me the info. I called, hey, yo, I seen your truck. The lady didn't even let me talk. She was like, oh my God, where? And I was like, I was trying to talk, and she was like, no, where? Okay, I'm on my way. Hey, send me the extra. I'm gonna get up. I was like, chill, bitch. I'm trying to help. You know? So they pulled up. They're like, where? I was like, bitch, down the street. This house right here behind the gym, you know?
Oh God, we passed by, bro. I mean, sir, continue your story.
Thank you. So they went down there and they were like, this one? I was like, yeah. And then that's when the fucking 2 trucks, the stolen one and another one, they put out from the other side of the alleyway.
Yes.
They went. Boom. It was a fucking a sandwich.
Oh, a sandwich.
I mean, a police kind of.
Hey, sir, I'm trying to interview El Patron. Can you please back off?
So yeah, they start pursuing them, and I was like, let's go, nigga, let's get my fucking mama whiskey. You know?
Oh yeah.
Y lo que también vamos detrás de ellos.
Yes.
We found them over there on fucking 12th Street, at the bridge. I was like, oh fuck, you know? We were looking for them and shit. Yeah, and we went to go because we seen him because he jumped off the bridge into the river. He was swimming and shit. So we went after him, but we didn't find him at the end. We came home. Now I'm eating a torta.
Yes.
And just watching that show.
No cap. Well, all right, sir. Thank you for your interview.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Anything you want to say to the news public?
Saludos a mi jefa allá en México.
Ain't she inside, boy? Or she working still?
Saludos a mi abuela allá en México. Allá en Michoacán. Arre, ahí le mando algo para la soda.
Me había avisado su abuela que no le han mandado ni madres, güey, en como 5 años. ¿Qué pedo con eso? But no cap, bro. These niggas did pull up. I was just coming out of work and shit, and then I pulled up, and then cuz was like fucking swimming and shit. Oh, bro, he dead ass swam the river, bro. We went across the street and we put up on that nigga, bro. He was already gone.
What?
Anyways. Alright, Chino.
Welcome back to my channel, guys.
Este wey, qué pedo, no mames, está robando el show.
Con el compa Chino, con el compa Benny. Nigga, no one watches your vlog, man.
So huge, and so I'm like, Why he making fun of me when he's supposed to be this role model?
And all we putting graffiti on my truck. We trying something new. Something new.
This nigga
On the gas
putting
truck.
KC on his hood. On phone.
Today les voy a enseñar cómo hacer guapango.
Okay.
So
Okay.
first, púntale los pies. Alright, so
Nah, nigga, I'm pointing at
you
your
go
dick.
on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Dame un poquito más, ya no tiene.
Así, you go like, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yo le enseñé a este vato. No sabe nada.
El brinquito, ese se llama el brinquito de cangurú. Ahí va.
Okay.
Así.
Brinquito de duende. No, así no se
No.
hace.
All right, Patron, bust out the move, sir. You are retired, but I love to see some great work.
For the jump. So, first of all,
You guys know how to do a
if y'all didn't know, I showed this nigga how to do all this shit. So.
It's Scandaloso's day one member.
Oh.
Jump. You want to put your pants up like this?
Okay, okay.
El rabito.
Hola, panarrabi.
Hola, Rabbit.
El brinquito. Patear así.
Ese es el paso del chavito.
Why this nigga look like an old nigga, bro?
And then you gotta smack that pana Rabbit.
Ay, mijo, no, eso no se hace.
Hola, pana
Eso
Rabbit.
no se hace aquí.
Hoy les vamos a presentar al pana Rabbit.
Hola, pana Rabbit.
Hola, pana Rabbit.
Oh, pues ya se acabó el vlog. This nigga nasty, bro.
That nigga had my dick in his mouth.
What?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
We can recharge. I'm a re.
So we just had a dance battle. Come on, boy.
Oh, yeah?
Come on, boy.
You go
Ready?
first.
You go first? Yeah. Come over here. Come over here. Ready?
Juan, ya para de ver porno.
¿Le va,
Ese es el paso del chavito.
A ver.
800 días bastaron pa cambiar mi vida de abajo para arriba, solo la miré pasar. De la sierra ya por Michoacán, sangre de mis padres, lo más importante, primero la familia. El corazón, tú misma lo sacaste y te lo has quedado. Llega febrero y te trae con él para verme, y el problema que es muy tarde.
I'm stuck.
Let me go help you.
What the fuck? Oh, hell no.
¡Me lo voy a coger!
Cállese, cabrón, váyase.